Hi everyone, this is Anshar. I'm here reading books because while we're inside during this time, I thought maybe your mom or your dad might need a little break, and Anshar, the least she could do is read a book to you while they might be able to do something. So get your iPads, because I know you all have them, or your mom's phone, and sit down and we'll read this book together. So this book is called A Flea's Sneeze, and it was my children's favorite book. So that's the first book we're going to read today. Get to the first page. Okay. Can everybody see? Sit down close so you can see. On a dark, dark night, on an old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. By the way, this is a dancing book, so if you want to get up and dance, you can. No one heard him cough. Look, he's so sad. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him sniffle. Sniffle. Anybody here get the sniffles? You get the sniffles sometimes? Well, the flea has the sniffles. And no one heard him. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the fowl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Oh, he's suffering, y'all. No one heard him. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! Can you sneeze like that? Achoo! Oh my goodness. He scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and he woke the cat, who said my-roo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue and confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered, hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who bowed, woo, hoo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed, ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. Guess he had a nephew who sneezed a lot, I don't know. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, on the old farm, in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for the house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I got a sneeze.